Yes, you can make these pretty and practical 120-page book journals using no special tools and with supplies you probably already have. These handmade book journals make great gifts or to use yourself, to write your thoughts and ideas, weekly planners, tracking your budget, collecting recipes and photos, or for creating artwork. In this video series, we will step by step make a text block, a cover, and decorate your new book journal. So easy, even a cat. Well, maybe not a cat, but you can make it yourself. So join me in this series. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.